This lesson is going to focus on combining some of the ideas you've just been learning about, both the distributive property and combining like terms. The steps are as follows. Just like with the order of operations, you're going to start with parentheses first. That means we're going to distribute. Let's look at this first example. Most students would be tempted to add 5 plus 2. That does not follow the order of operations. You have to look at the parentheses, and in front of the parentheses we have a 2. So the 2 is going to get distributed. You'll multiply the 2 by the 3x to get 6x. You'll multiply the 2 by the 2 to get 4. Now the 5 and the plus sign are just kind of hanging out there. You're going to bring those down in front of the problem. And we'll move on to step 2. So next we're going to look to combine like terms. Sometimes you'll be able to, other times you will not. Looking at our first example, I notice that I have a 6x term, but I don't have any other x terms. So I don't have any like terms. If I look at the 5 and the 4, those are like terms. I'm going to underline those to indicate that I'll put those together. Now the third step is just the way that you're going to write your answer. When we use standard notation, remember we start with the variable first. So when I write the final answer, 6x goes first. Then I combine the 5 and the 4 to make a plus 9. With longer problems, draw a little box or a circle around your answer because it's easier to find. Problem number 2, we're again going to start by distributing. You'll notice that we have a 6 in front of the parentheses, so we're going to distribute that through. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times a negative 4x would give us a negative 24x. Just watch out for that negative sign. The 3x is separated by a plus sign. Bring that down. Do not distribute the 6. That's separated by addition. Now we move on to like terms. Underline your x's. Negative 24 and positive 3 are going to combine to make a negative 21x. Notice I'm writing that first because variables come first. And then just bring down the plus 12. Box your answer, and you're done.